Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. You hear about it everywhere, but what exactly it? And more importantly, what can it do? It's not just about Bitcoin anymore. We've come a long way from those days. Today, we'll explore the various types of blockchain networks and their unique characteristics. We'll break down the jargon, the tech, and the real-world applications that are shaping the future. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just curious about this revolutionary technology, stick around. This video is your one-stop shop to understanding the diverse landscape of blockchain networks. First up, let's talk about public blockchains. These are the OGs, the pioneers of the blockchain space. Think of them as the open internet of the blockchain world. Anyone can join, participate, and contribute to the network. This open-door policy makes public blockchains incredibly transparent and secure. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, visible to everyone. And because the network is decentralized, there's no single point of failure. Examples: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, the big players everyone's talking about. Now, on the flip side, we have private blockchains. These are like private clubs with exclusive membership. They're centralized, permissioned networks controlled by a single organization. Private blockchains are all about efficiency and control. They're faster and cheaper to operate because they involve a smaller group of trusted participants. Think of them as enterprise solutions for businesses looking to streamline their operations. For example, managing supply chains, tracking products, that sort of thing. Next, we have Consortium Blockchains, a sort of middle ground between public and private. They're like joint ventures, governed by a group of organizations with shared interests. This collaboration allows for greater trust and efficiency than public blockchains, while still maintaining a degree of decentralization. Consortium blockchains are ideal for industries like finance and healthcare, where collaboration is key. Imagine banks coming together to streamline payment processing, or hospitals securely sharing patient data. Hybrid blockchains, as the name suggests, combine elements of both public and private blockchains. They offer the flexibility to customize the network to specific needs. Think of it like this: you can have a private blockchain for internal operations and a public blockchain for interacting with customers. This hybrid approach gives businesses the best of both worlds, control and transparency. It's like having your cake and eating it too, blockchain style. Now, let's talk about federated blockchains. These are decentralized networks, but with a twist. Instead of relying on a single consensus mechanism, federated blockchains use multiple parties to validate transactions. This approach makes federated blockchains incredibly resilient and secure. It's like having multiple layers of security checks. They're often used for things like identity verification and supply chain management, where data integrity is paramount. Ever wished you could transfer assets between different blockchains seamlessly? That's where sidechains come in. They're like bridges connecting different blockchain ecosystems. Sidechains run parallel to a main blockchain, allowing for interoperability and asset transfer. For example, the Liquid network is a sidechain built on Bitcoin, enabling faster and more private transactions. It's like having a dedicated express lane for blockchain transaction. Now, let's step outside the traditional blockchain structure and talk about directed acyclic graph, or DAG blockchains. Unlike traditional blockchains, which are linear, DAGs use a non-linear directed graph structure. This unique architecture makes DAG blockchains faster and more scalable than traditional blockchains. They're often used for things like IoT and big data applications, where speed and efficiency are crucial. Think of it as a super efficient way to handle massive amounts of data. Smart contract blockchains are all about automating agreements and building decentralized applications, or dApps. These blockchains are designed to execute smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written directly into code. This allows for trustless and automated transactions without the need for intermediaries. Ethereum is a prime example of a smart contract blockchain, powering a vast ecosystem of dApps. Think of it as a platform for building the decentralized future. Decentralized finance or DeFi blockchains are specifically designed for financial applications. They aim to create a more open, transparent, and accessible financial system. DeFi blockchains power a wide range of applications, from lending and borrowing to trading and investing. Examples include platforms like MakerDAO and Compound, which allow users to earn interest on their crypto or take out loans without a traditional bank. It's like putting the power of finance back in the hands of the people. The gaming industry is no stranger to blockchain technology. Gaming blockchains are specifically designed for gaming applications, often with a focus on NFTs and virtual assets. These blockchains enable new forms of ownership, allowing players to truly own their in-game items and trade them freely. Imagine a world where your virtual sword in a game has real-world value and can be traded or sold just like a physical collectible. It's like bridging the gap between the virtual and real world. Supply chain management is ripe for disruption, and that's where supply chain blockchains come in. These blockchains are optimized for tracking, tracing, and verifying supply chain data. From the origin of a product to its final destination, every step of the journey can be recorded on the blockchain, creating a transparent and auditable record. This helps to improve efficiency, reduce fraud, and ensure the authenticity of products. Imagine scanning a QR code on your coffee to see its entire journey from bean to cup. That's the power of supply chain blockchains. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are digital currencies issued by central banks. And yes, you guessed it, they often run on their own specialized blockchains. CBDC blockchains are designed for security, efficiency, and control, allowing central banks to modernize their monetary systems. China's digital currency, electronic payment, or DCM, is a prime example of a CBDC in action. While still early days, CBDCs have the potential to reshape the financial landscape as we know it. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the diverse landscape of blockchain networks. From public to private, hybrid to consortium, and everything in between, blockchain technology is constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. If you have any questions or want to learn more about a specific type of blockchain network, be sure to leave a comment below. We're always here to help you navigate the exciting world of blockchain technology. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. We'll see you in the next one.